Welcome to the new video. In this video we are going to do a Python exercise. We will make a program that will generate passwords for us. We will use random and string libraries, functions, if statements, user input and more Python techniques in this video. I will firstly show you the output, and after that I will give some hints for creating this password generator. Let's see how our program is going to work. Our program here is going to ask for the password length. Based on this number, our program is going to create a password which has that length. In the next step, our program is going to ask for password complexity. Here is the complete output of our password generator. Program starts with asking the password length, keeps with complexity level. In the basic level, it only uses the numbers and letters. In the intermediate level, it also uses punctuations. In the advanced level, it also uses space with punctuations. Here we pass 25 as password length and intermediate as complexity level. We can see that our password is generated. Let's move to hints part, which will be helpful if you are going to try to do this on your own. I will give some hints about the password generator, so if you are going to try to do this program on your own, it's going to be helpful. You can also create this program without hints if you want. We will use random and string libraries. We will use string for getting the numbers, letters and punctuations. We are going to create a function and use if statements. Also we need to use type conversion and user input. That's all for the introduction. See you in the coding part. Welcome to the coding part. Let's create our password generator. Firstly, we will import the random and string modules using the import statement. These modules will help us in generating random characters and obtaining a string of characters respectively. Next, we will define a function called generatePassword that takes two arguments, the length of the password and the complexity level. Based on the complexity level, we will choose a set of characters. If the complexity is basic, we will use letters and digits. If the complexity is intermediate, we will use letters, digit and punctuation. And if the complexity is advanced, we will use letters, digit, punctuation and a space. The next step is to obtain the length and complexity of the password from the user. We use the input function to get the complexity level from the user and the int function to convert the input string for the length of the password to an integer. Finally, we call the generatePassword function with the given length and complexity and print the generated password. Let's try our program. After running, let's create an intermediate password with 30 characters and see if this works. Seems nice. Our password generator works nicely. That was all for this video. I'm creating content about programming and data science. If you want to see more content like this, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.